obstacles that I overcame. Now all I can do is entertain. Exclusive was the funk. That $1 can of Tennessee got me drunk. If I present a new fashion in the form of love was absorbed, there's no trespassing. A recent programming got dismissed. I'ma open up all of my gifts. Can you give me a lift? The car is being updated. That's a new bud. I almost fainted. Anti-breakage made me shed. I got nothing to lose and I don't really care. To be real, all I do is hustle. I'ma steal a couple pieces so you can't finish your puzzle. Make it worth look like it just got shot up. The doctor is asked, the doctor asked around, don't nobody want no problems. That revolver is a smart fiend. It keeps 3 books, 2 catalogs, and 5 magazines. Skip on the beam or fall off the rope. I'm a killer style, I just need to take a different approach. The coach took me out the game, cause I wanted to wear the referee's whistle as a chain. It looks better on me. Chicken is better when it's rotisserie. My specialty is my weakness. Shut down the defense. What is the scope? Who the hell is that knocking at the door? Did everyone place their best? What is the brand of this cigarette? Is that flesh out in the street? Who her baby daddy? I am a freak. No, I will not tell you the recipe.